Hey guys, welcome back to another vlog. Okay, so I don't even know if I'm in focus. I think I am, but yeah, I just got out the shower, pulled my hair in a little bit of a bun, and just, you know, did a little bit of skincare and whatever. So now I'm gonna go eat. It is so hot today. Okay, it just, I thought, because it was overcast this morning, I thought that we would get a break from the heat. I thought that we would get a break from the heat. We are not getting a break from the heat, so I'm just a little bit miserable, really warm. But yeah, I'm wearing this thing. It's like a t-shirt dress from Misguided. I actually wore this out once, and then I put it in the wash, and then all the color came out, so now I just sleep in it. But it was clean and it was really cool, so this is literally all I'm wearing. Anyway, so I'm just chilling at home. I'm waiting for my manicurist to come. She's gonna come and do my nails, and then I'm getting my hair done tomorrow. And then yeah, so she's gonna come do my nails. I haven't really decided what I'm gonna do with my nails, but I think I'm gonna go shorter. And then I'm also going to go make something to eat. I think I'm gonna make something to eat now because and I'm probably gonna make a salad because I'm actually trying to lose weight. I'm trying to lose some fat and gain some muscle just for health reasons. I think I mentioned it when I told you guys that I went to the doctor. I don't know if I mentioned it, but anyways, he said that I needed to lose like a little bit of weight and a little bit of like fat and whatever, and just try and go to gym a little bit more often because my health was not optimal, you know what I mean? So it's fine. Anyways, so that's what I'm going to do. And then I wanted to go to gym later, but I don't know what time my manicurist is going to get here, so I can't commit to that today, but I definitely want to go tomorrow. So with that being said, let's go get some food, guys. Let's go eat, and then once we're done eating, I want to probably like clean up my dressing table because I did my makeup on Saturday and I left everything there and I haven't cleaned it up yet, so probably do that. And then after that, I'll probably get back onto the computer and then sort of like finish off my work for the day. So yeah guys, let's go. Okay guys, so our lunch is ready. So I just cut up some Woolies chicken that I bought yesterday, and then it's just tomato, feta cheese, olives and avo, and then just a little bit of balsamic vinegar and a little salt and lemon on my avo. But guys, Michelle and I are having the exact same thing. Okay, so mine is with chicken and then hers is with tuna, but look how pretty hers looks. Yours looks so much prettier than mine. Look at this.
It's like a proper dressing, so it has like a little maple in there, salt,
oh
pepper,
excuse us. And then here's my boring chicken salad, and then here's, what a show off. Okay, so my nails are done. I went with this red color, and then I did the same color on my toes as well. So I literally just went with pretty red, and I made my nails a whole lot shorter as well because I just wanted short nails. I feel like red looks better on shorter nails in any case. So I'm quite happy with them. Nice little bright situation for summer, but like not too overwhelming, still a little bit classy. So yeah, these are the seedless cotton candy grapes from Woolworths. Guys, these grapes are amazing. I mean, I feel like they already look so good, but they taste incredible. Like, these are my favorites, and every time I go to Woolworths, they're like always sold out. I don't know, but I love them. Okay guys, so let's quickly do a mini haul. I picked up the cutest little thing from Chanel Beauty, and I wanted to show you guys. So I actually picked up a couple of things, but I wanted to show you guys what I got. So the first thing that I got was these earrings from H&M. I am so obsessed with pearls right now, and these were $100. And then I picked up this lip gloss from Stila. I really like Stila products. So this lip gloss is in the color Golden Parachute. I love the Stila packaging. It's a little bit expensive for lip gloss. This one was $275, and I got it from Woolworths, but I feel like the color is so pretty and so worth it. So that's basically what this gloss looks like. So this is what it looks like. It's just like a regular gold gloss, and I feel like it would look beautiful on top of like a lipstick or something. And then last but not least, from Chanel Beauty, I feel like everyone should have this. Okay, this is actually a mirror, and I need to show you guys how cool this is. It is so beautiful. Chanel is just always so extra, and that is why I love it. But I picked up this mirror. How beautiful is this? So that's pretty much what it looks like. So the one side is magnified, and then the other side is just like regular. So this is what I'm going to be keeping in my handbag instead of always keeping a compact, because I find that sometimes like compacts can be a little bit bulky, especially in my smaller handbags. So this is perfect, because I mean, it is so like, it's so thin. It is so thin and so beautiful, and just I'm so excited to have this in my collection. I think this mirror was about like just under 700 rand, like around 640 or something like that. I'm not 100% sure. I will try and link these down below if you guys are interested in getting one, and if you do get one, you guys must tag me and then we'll be matching. I'm so excited to have this mirror. It's just, I don't know, it's so pretty, and you know, it's very convenient. I feel like it's just one of those things that you have forever, and it's just one of those purchases that just makes sense, you know what I mean? Anyways guys, I think I'm just gonna go to bed. So I just got to Linden. I have a meeting, and then I'm in gym clothes because I want to go to the gym after my meeting. But I'm probably going to have my meeting, and then once that's done, probably sit for like another hour and then just get some work done and stuff, just to get out of the house, because I've just been cooped up in the house in terms of work. I haven't been working outside. I've just been working in my office and at home. So I think it's just going to be nice to like be outside and get work done outside, you know, like at a nice restaurant that I really like. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do. I also got my hair done, so my hair is done. I have a sew-in, so I'm so happy to have my hair back, and I absolutely love it. I got my hair done by Kiko, Hair Code by Kiko. That's where I normally go. If not Hair Code by Kiko, then I normally go to Hair by CC. But anyways, so yeah, that is it, and I will see you guys inside. So I'm having the Whippet burger without the bun, and some chips, some dip, and water. You're having the same? Hey guys, so I just got back from the gym. It's about a few minutes past 7, so I'm home now. I am going to make my protein shake quick because I'm starving and no one cooked in my house, and I'm too lazy to cook, so I just ordered a salad from Uber Eats, so that should be here soon. So I want to quickly make my protein shake and then quickly maybe take a shower, or wait and eat and then take a shower. I don't know, it'll depend when the food gets here. So this is my protein shake from Fit Force. I absolutely love this. It tastes so good. I'm going to link all the details down below, but this is actually like a fat, it's got fat burning properties, and it's also got collagen in it, which is really great for if you've got like cellulite and stretch marks and stuff. So this is what I have maybe like twice a day. Sometimes I have it once every day, but sometimes I'll have it twice a day as a meal replacement, but I normally just have it after gym. So this is what I'm going to have right now. This is my dinner. This is my salad. So there's some broccoli, some chicken, carrots, cashew nuts, some ginger, red pepper, and then lettuce underneath, and I think there's some cabbage here as well. So this is the, I think it's called the Thai crunch salad from Kauai. So yeah, that's what I'm having. Yummy. Let's eat. Guys, my mom says I smell like I've been working hard labor all day. She's not lying. polished. It was really good. It's so big though. But I had to force myself to finish it because I don't know, I've barely eaten today, so I needed to have my calories, so I needed to finish it. It's really filling though, but it's really, really nice. I'm gonna go take a shower. I need it. Ooh, I need it. Okay, so this is the face mask that I'm going to do. It is the CoQ10 Plus, the Caviar Sheet Mask. And this is from Skin Republic. I haven't used this before, but I'm hoping it's going to be good. So let's try it out. Elizabeth Arden, grade 8, 8-hour cream. King, the best. Anyways, guys, I'm gonna relax for a little bit. I'm actually going to call my friend back because she called me while I was at the gym. So I'm gonna call her back and then finish off and then confirm a breakfast tomorrow, and then yeah, I'll see you guys just now. Hey guys, the sheet mask that we used last night, amazing. Okay, I was very surprised considering that I'm not really that familiar with Skin Republic and their sheet masks, but it actually made like a difference. Like I actually see like a little bit of a visible difference, so I'm really happy. Like it just made my skin feel really nice, really moisturized. But when I woke up this morning, my skin was actually quite like nice and firm, so that was actually really nice. Like I'm not going to lie, it was actually a really nice mask. So I'm going to go buy more of them because obviously that one I bought myself, I just wanted to try it, but I'm going to definitely be buying more of those. And I'm on my way to Santon. Okay, so this is the thing, where I get my hair done, right next door there's a Krispy Kreme, right? And so when I went to go do my hair on Tuesday, one of the girls that works at Krispy Kreme, she is very pregnant. I mean, she's so heavily pregnant. I think she's about 8.5 months pregnant, and she was still working, and that really just broke my heart. Anyway, so she was telling me that her baby shower is this weekend, which is tomorrow. So I said to her that I would bring her some eyelashes because she said she really wanted eyelashes to wear, you know, for her baby shower and whatever. So I said that I would bring her eyelashes, but then like I knew that I was going to do a little bit more, so I actually packed for her like a bunch of like makeup, and I gave her some hair products, and just I put together a little bit of a box just for her. I considered getting her something for her baby, but I figured she's having her baby shower tomorrow and people will be getting her gifts, so I thought maybe I could do this, you know, just for her, like just as a gift to her. So I'm quickly going to show you what I got her. So this is pretty much the box that I'm going to be giving her. Yeah, it's just got hair stuff, lashes. I have a Jimmy Choo little pouch with the perfume inside. I have some setting sprays, makeup. There's a makeup bag right at the bottom, some highlights, some lipsticks, just all the stuff. So you guys know that because of my work, I get given, you know, a lot of stuff. I mean, I get PR on a daily basis. So it's just really nice to be able to give people that could really do with it and could appreciate it, because I have more than enough. So anything else that I know that I'm not going to use, I always keep it closed, I keep it sealed, and I don't open it, so that I can be able to give, you know, so that I can be able to give it to someone who would really appreciate it and love it. So everything that I've given her is brand new, unused, and I hope she's going to be happy. So yeah, guys, so I think I'm going to end the vlog here. As I said, I'm quickly just going to go to Santon, come right back, and then just have a quiet day at home, and then I'll probably start vlogging again tomorrow because there's nothing that I'm doing for the rest of the day. My life is so boring. Anyways, it's so boring, but it's a blessed life, and it's a good life, and it is a life that I'm very grateful for, but it is a little bit boring. I don't really get up too much. Anyways, I love you guys all so much. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys all in the next one. Mwah. Bye guys.